I do not believe this carpet is the original carpet, and I know those floor mats are not the floor mats, but that's okay. Hello, friends. We're gonna travel back in the day. The days of 2002. Look at that copper color. They're calling it gold, but that looks copper to me. Anyway, this car has 129,000 miles on it for a 2002. Huh. Anyway, it's got a little bit of fading and issues, you know. We may be handling that. We'll see. I don't know. It's supposed to be just a cheap little car. So we'll see. But it's not banged up. There's very little rust. It's a pretty darn decent little car, even those headlights won't need much. Let's take a look at the inside. It's not in that bad a shape. We'll be able to get it cleaned up pretty quickly. This is going to be a short day. See? Not bad at all. I'm curious. Oh, yeah. Not bad. Well, I didn't think I was going to be able to get in that trunk. Not bad. We'll get it vacuumed up, looking pretty decent. This interior looks really nice. It's got a few little issues, but it's in pretty decent shape for a 2002. Especially these seats, goodness. So, for those of you who missed it, today is August 28th. It's my 53rd birthday. And I don't typically celebrate this day, even still today. But for many years, I didn't even acknowledge this day as my birthday. See, 15 years ago, my husband died on this day, on my 38th birthday. So it was a sad day, and I always looked at it like it was a sad day. But now I'm okay accepting the happy birthdays and saying thank you and things like that. I miss him. Always will love him. And it will sting from time to time, but it doesn't hurt like it used to. Alrighty, so the interior is done. I'm gonna move to the outside now. This is looking pretty good. Now I will say, I do not believe this carpet is the original carpet, and I know those floor mats are not the floor mats, but that's okay. You don't have to have the right floor mats. Our goal is to just give people a decent, presentable car. Floor mats looking good. I got everything blown out, vacuumed. That is looking rough, but it's looking better. So if I was to make bets on my birthday, I would bet a lot of this car was restored, or should I say repaired with something new. Some places you can tell are from 2002, others not so much. For example, this headliner. That is a new headliner. New carpet. And these floor mats, which don't match, but that's okay. I'd almost say that they tried to match the seats or something in the back, because they are a little bit different, but maybe not. Maybe this is what they are, and they tried to get them clean as possible. I probably wouldn't bet on the seats, but when you look at them, it's just odd. Anyway, there is a piece coming to repair this. It says cracked, got a missing part there. This is looking good. Got it cleaned up. So now it's time for the rinse list. Okay, so somebody told me to use the wheel brush when it comes to doing the engine bay and some rinseless wash. Well, I've already done it with rinseless wash. I've done engine bays with it. But let's see about this. So I'm going to use the pump sprayer. It's already got rinseless in it. I'll spray it. Got to spray around the, what is it, distributor right there? Right there. Anyway, we'll see how it does. Turned out better than I thought. I'll zoom in. Alrighty. So this car is done. Looks pretty decent. Especially for a cheap little car. $29.99. Great gas mileage. Oh yeah, it does have AC. And it's a gas saver. Definitely turned out pretty darn well. So thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate it. If you'll hit that subscribe button, I would love to have you. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace.